Welding wasn't my first choice, but I'm really glad I got into it. It's working with my hands, and you get to kind of see a product go from nothing to whatever you want it to be. It's really gratifying because you get to see what you started with and then what you yourself made.
Like fill in the cracks?
Yeah, there's a gap right there. And what we do is that thing shoots out really hot metal. It gets melted on, and we'll connect those two pieces together. Yeah, but it's also melting in with this metal and that metal.
Oh.
That light looks a lot different whenever they're welding, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whenever you're done working all day and you get to see what you've done for other people, the ones I just did are for a lady and they're for her outdoor furniture. So whenever I get to see all that done and they put it together, it's like I actually did that for that person and now they can enjoy that chair and that table with their family. It's very rewarding because it's like I can actually do this now and I'm doing it for other people, not just for myself.
My mom always raised us to be very independent. You don't need a guy to support yourself, and you can do anything a guy can do. So if we wanted to weld, or if we wanted to be a roofer, or we wanted to landscape, or whatever we wanted to do, we can do just as much as they could.
Well, it's a choice, and it's a creative one, and it's different than college. It's a way to set your path apart from other people's.
Going to college isn't so rewarding for everybody. I don't really like school and I learn hands-on. So whenever I came here and I actually used my hands for something and I learned by doing, it was really rewarding and it felt like I could actually learn something. I even worked at the fab shop for a couple of weeks. It wasn't really my thing and I never heard about powder coating. So I was like, why not try it? Because working with my hands is so much better than doing math or sitting in an office all day. I thought I could try it, and if I didn't like it, I can find something else.
My kids, they always seen Mom work real hard, and I wasn't scared to get dirty. They are grateful that I work as hard as I do.
The trade isn't something you should shy away from, I don't think. It's something you can take as a serious option and then look into, and if it piques your interest to be able to build something and be a part of something bigger than yourself, it's a lot of work, but it's definitely worth it.
Don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Try something different. You gotta want to do it or try to do it. I mean, if you don't ever try to do something, you'll never do anything. My name is Jamie.
My name is Tori.
My name is Hannah, and I'm proud to forge the way for future generations of women in trades.